How would you like to earn RC parts just by doing an early front flip? Watch this video to find out. It's these tactics, baby. Oh, that's not good. So, for our attempt today, we're going to be using the Arrma Typhon 6S. We have got a Hoovu. What have we got? Let's have a proper look. Let's do it properly, eh? What have we got? Oh, my battery's upside down. Do you know what? I'm going to post it on the screen. Oh, I've missed this thing. This thing's great. Oh, I haven't missed that though. Missed. So, using a skinny ramp. Oh, she got some air there. I reckon we can get a front flip out of her. Oh, missed. Oh, it's the joy of the skinny ramp. Skinny ramp's a bit of a bugger. No. Definitely need to make a wider ramp. I did this so I could get it in my car. Oh, that's pretty good though. Oh, okay. So this might not be the one for front flips. It got sent. It went many a moon. But what have we got? It's always a giggle. Doesn't like. Probably doesn't help I've got buggy wheels on it. It probably don't help I've got buggy wheels on it. So, what I'm going to be doing soon is I'm going to be getting a wider ramp. I'm going to be making a wider ramp. This is ridiculous. Thought I'd be clever. Oh, that didn't go well. Oh, so I'm thinking I'm going to make another one just as wide as that one so I can transport it and then I can put them both side by side. That's what I'm thinking. But dare I say, this little one so far is as tough as old boots. I do like the Typhon. reckon we can get one out of this? Do you reckon this is front flippable? Wanted to land it on a nice down ramp. I know obviously I'm landing it higher than I'm taking off, but it's part of the fun. Abort. There's going to be some bloopers here. Let's turn it round. Let's turn it round. Let's be sensible, shall we? Let's be sensible. Not fire it up a hill. I said you could win RC parts. So how'd you do it? To enter, all you need is an RC car, somewhere to use it, and a smartphone. Each month, East Tactics YouTube channel sends a post out, lets you know their challenge for each month. In the month of May, it's the Early Front Flip Challenge. Early Front Flip Challenge is where you got to perform your front flip at the beginning of your jump, give you plenty of time to level your car out before a landing. All you got to do is video your attempt, tag East Tactics into your video, upload it onto YouTube, and then they'll add you to a playlist. At the end of every month, you'll get entered into a roll of the dice competition, and that decides the winner. There are loads of prizes available from all these kind people who have donated to the cause. The winner is selected at random, so it hasn't even got to be the best early front flip. All I'll say is, it's bags of fun. So get involved. You could win some free stuff. So, last attempt I did with a Arrma. Thought I'd try it with a Typhon. It is all buggied up, so I don't know how good this is going to be. Doesn't want a front flip. Do you know why? Because I'm not double tapping the brake. That makes a good sense, doesn't it? I forget to double tap, I hit the brake, but I don't hit reverse. So all I'm doing is landing upside down and I'm an idiot. Let's try it with actually hitting reverse. What do you reckon? Do you reckon that'll work for a front flip? Oh, come on, come on. Oh. Got a front flip, just didn't hit the ramp square. I'll take that as the winning fail of the week. Winning fail. Ah. That was more like a twisty flip. Don't think it's part of the challenge. Oh, that's not good. That's broken summing. That's broken summing. Oh no! The shock's let go. Let's try and do it with a springy shock. Ah, I've done the arm as well. Oh no! Well, that's the end of this attempt with a broken Typhon. So yeah, nah. Bastard. Yeah, okay, so attempt over. And I've lost my dog bone. Safe to say that didn't work. But anywho, that's what RCing's all about. Win some, lose some, still got a smile on my face despite having a slightly poorly Typhon. So with the Typhon, snapped a lower arm, lost a dog bone, and the cap on the shock popped off. So I'd imagine I lost my dog bone due to the cap of the shock popping off. I'll go again. I'm determined to get this early backflip. I'm determined to get this early front flip. Anywho, if you've liked this video or even just had a good old laugh at my expense and misfortune, make sure you hit the like button. Please subscribe if you want to see some more of my videos, and bash the bell as and when you want to be notified when I upload new content. Always remember, leave a comment. I do like to speak to you and I'll do my best to get back to each and every one of you. I've been Grum from Grum RC. I've just failed my first attempt at East Tactics Challenge, but I'll do it in the next one. If you've liked this, please check out some of my other videos. They're around here somewhere. They keep moving around and there's probably something right there on my face. If it says subscribe, feel free, punch me in the face. See you later.